everyone. Welcome back to the Unfolded English podcast.
Hi, friends. So happy to have you here today.
Yeah, whether it's your first time or you've been with us for a while, it's great to see you.
Totally. So, Alex, how's your weekend been?
Pretty relaxed, actually. I just had some coffee, listened to a bit of music, and took it slow. How about you?
Nice. Mine was fun. I went for a long walk and caught up with a friend. Felt really refreshing.
That sounds perfect. And today, we've got something super useful for you must-know English phrases you can use in everyday conversations.
Yes. Things that help you speak naturally and feel more confident without worrying about grammar too much.
So before we jump into the phrases, let's talk about something almost every English learner faces.
Oh, I know this one.
Right. Sometimes you understand everything when you're listening, but the moment you try to speak, nothing comes out. Blank.
Oh, yes. That's me. Or like, maybe all of us. You have the words in your head, but your mouth just freezes.
And then there's the fear of making mistakes, right? You want to speak, but you're worried someone will correct you or laugh.
Totally. Or even worse, you rehearse a sentence in your head, and by the time you open your mouth, it's gone. Poof.
And even if you really want to practice, sometimes there's just no one to speak with, or the environment doesn't feel safe.
Exactly. You end up practicing alone, or not at all, and that frustration just builds up.
That's why today's episode is all about fixing this simple, must-know phrases you can actually use in daily conversations.
Yes. Phrases that help you speak naturally, get your words out, and feel confident even if you're nervous.
Before we dive into the phrases, we just want to say, if you enjoy this episode, a quick like or subscribe really helps us keep the podcast going.
Yes! And sharing it with a friend who's learning English can make a big difference too.
Every little click helps more learners find our show, and it really means a lot to us.
Totally! So if you feel inspired, just hit that like button, subscribe, or share. It's super easy and really supports us.
Thanks so much, friends. All right, now let's jump into today's phrases. All right, friends, let's get into today's practical phrases. Simple things you can start using right away.
Yay! Can't wait!
First one, how's it going? It's a casual way to ask someone how they are.
Oh, like, how are you? But more relaxed?
Exactly. You can use it with friends, classmates, even coworkers. Hey, Sarah, how's it going?
Perfect. And it's nice because the other person usually gives a short answer, like good or not bad. You don't need to stress.
When someone asks, how's it going? You can reply with, I'm good, thanks. And you?
Oh, that's simple. And polite too.
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Yes, short, friendly, and it keeps the conversation going. Very natural.
Next one. Could you repeat that? This is super useful when you don't hear or understand something.
Oh, I know this feeling. Sometimes I hear words but can't catch them.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Perfect, and it's polite. People love that you ask instead of guessing.
Another simple one. I don't understand. Easy, short, and honest.
Yeah, sometimes you just don't get it. No shame in saying it.
I'm sorry. I don't understand.
Great, it's honest, and it actually helps you learn faster.
Next. Can you help me? You can use it anywhere. At school, work, or even online.
Oh, that's a lifesaver. Sometimes you just need a little guidance.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, short, polite, and it opens the door for real conversation.
Another one. I'm looking for. This is great in shops, streets, or online.
Like, I'm looking for a book or I'm looking for the bus stop.
Hi, I'm looking for the bus station. Could you tell me?
Exactly. Super practical and it gives you confidence in real life situations.
Last one for today. That sounds great. Use it to respond positively, show interest or encouragement.
Oh, nice. So if a friend invites you somewhere, you can say this.
We can meet at 5 p.m. That sounds great.
Perfect. Short, easy, and friendly. It makes your English feel natural.
So, friends, all of these phrases are small, but they make a big difference. You can start using them today.
Yes. And the best part? They're simple. So even if you're nervous, you can still try. Little steps every day.
Exactly. That's the key. Use them bit by bit, and soon speaking English will feel much easier.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every time you try, you're learning.
Absolutely. And that's why these small phrases are so powerful. They're practical, friendly, and confidence boosting.
Alex, sometimes I just freeze when I want to speak. I worry I'll make mistakes, my accent will sound weird, or people will laugh.
Oh, Lucy, I hear you. That's so common, and honestly, it's completely normal to feel that way.
But it's frustrating, right? I know the words, I know the phrases, but my brain just stops.
Exactly. And here's the thing, mistakes aren't failures. They're proof that you're trying, that you're learning. Every mistake is a step forward.
Hmm, that makes sense. But what about sounding perfect?
Perfection? That's not the goal. Communication is the goal. Being understood is more important than saying every word perfectly.
So, my accent doesn't matter?
Not at all. Your accent is part of you. People are more impressed by your courage to speak than by your pronunciation.
Wow. So just saying something, even if it's not perfect, is actually good?
Absolutely. Dare to speak, and you'll improve naturally. The more you try, the easier it gets. Little by little, day by day.
I like that. It feels freeing, actually.
Yes. Friends, remember this. Your voice matters. Your words matter. Mistakes are just proof you're growing. Speak bravely, speak often, and enjoy the journey.
I'm going to try that today, even if it's just a tiny sentence.
That's perfect, Lucy. Tiny steps lead to big changes. And every time you speak, you're winning. All right, friends. Before we finish, let's quickly review all the phrases we learned today.
Great idea.
Phrase 1,
How's it going? A casual way to ask how someone is.
phrase 2,
I'm good, thanks. And you? A short, polite reply.
phrase 3,
Could you repeat that? Ask politely if you didn't hear or understand.
phrase 4,
I don't understand. Honest and simple helps you learn.
phrase 5,
Can you help me? Ask for help anywhere, anytime.
phrase 6,
I'm looking for. Perfect for asking directions or finding things.
and finally, phrase 7.
That sounds great. Show interest or positivity in a natural way.
Perfect. Friends, these are all small phrases, but together they make a big difference.
Yes, use them a little every day, and speaking English will feel more natural and confident.
All right, friends. Before we say goodbye, we'd love to hear from you.
Yes! Here's a simple question: which phrase from today do you want to try first? Or, how many minutes will you practice today?
Don't worry about perfect answers, just be honest. We'll read every comment, and we love seeing how you're using these phrases.
Totally! Sharing your little wins or even your struggles can help other learners too.
So head to the comments, say hi, and tell us what you'll try first. We can't wait to hear from you.
Yes, it's like we're practicing together. Your words matter, friends.
Friends, thank you so much for listening today.
Yes. Remember, even small steps every day make a big difference in your English.
That's right. Just a little practice, a few words spoken out loud, and you're improving bit by bit.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, or share. Every action helps more learners find our podcast.
Absolutely. Keep speaking, keep trying, and be gentle with yourself. Progress is a journey, not a race.
We hope today gave you some confidence and motivation.
Thanks again for joining us. Have a wonderful day or evening, and we'll see you next time on Unfolded English Podcast.
Bye, friends. Keep shining and keep speaking.